Good morning, class. It is March 24th, 2020. I'm going to go ahead and add a clover to that on our calendar. March 24th. Let's do our months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right, sing along with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then you sit back down. Great job. All right, now we're going to say our days of the week. Let's say them together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now, as we sing, I want you to do your sign language along with me. Here we go. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Great job. All right, now let's think about it. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Good. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Awesome job. All right, we have 4 seasons. They are winter, spring, summer, and fall. And the month of March is, what season are we in? Spring. Very exciting. I love spring. Okay, let's talk about the weather. Today, the weather is, so look outside, see what kind of weather we've got going on today. I think it's actually supposed to rain today, but I'm going to put cloudy because at my house it's just cloudy right now. Yesterday, the weather was rainy. Tomorrow, I think the weather will be, what do you think? I think it's supposed to be sunny tomorrow, so I'm going to put sunny. I hope so. All right, let's do our counting. We're going to start with counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, let's count by twos. We're going to go from 2 to 60. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. Great job. All right, I've got a few questions for you, and I want you to post the answers in Class Dojo on your portfolio. So if you haven't logged into your portfolio yet, make sure you get logged in so you can post these answers. Number 1, which number has 1 10 and 2 1s? Which number has 1 10 and 2 1s? So think about which number is the same as 10, 2. 1 10 and 2 1s. All right, question number 2. Which number has 2 10s and 7 1s? Which number has 2 10s and 7 1s? It is the same as 2 10 7. Which one has 2 10s and 7 1s? Post the answers to questions 1 and 2 on Class Dojo. Let me see who gets it right. All right, we're going to look at our words to practice before we sing our class song. Yesterday we looked at best friends on the end, and we said that Firefighter Fred and Firefighter Frank, they hang out together at the end of words to make words like, read this word, puff. Good job. And words like cuff. Awesome. And then we saw that Lucy and Linda Lamplight, they're together on the end of words to make words like, sound it out, will. Awesome. And feel. We also saw that Sammy and his sister are on the end of words together, SS, to make words like, sound it out, less, and mess. Now we're going to look at a few more words. Go ahead and get a pencil or pen out and try to write these down. If you don't have a pencil or pen with you, try to think of how you would spell them in your head. Let's look at the word kiss. Kiss. Now when I hear that word, I hear 3 sounds. K, I, S. So if I'm going to put it under one of these categories, FF, LL, or SS, I hear S at the end. Which one should it go under? That's right, it should go under SS. So I'm going to add another one here. And I'm going to type kiss. So let's think about the sounds that kiss has. K, I, S. What letter says K? There's actually 2 that can say K, but in kiss it says it's K. I. Got a vowel. Which vowel says I? That's right, I. And then we have our best friends on the end. S. Kiss. Good job. Now we're going to look at another word. The word is fell. Fell. Like he fell down on the playground. Fell. Think about the sounds that make up that word. U. Which would it go under? FF, LL, U, or SS? U. That's right, it would go under LL because we have that U sound at the end. Help me spell it. F, E, U. Fell. F-E-L-L. Fell. Great job. Now we're going to look at the word miss. Miss. I miss my first graders. Miss. Let's spell that word together or sound it out. I, S. We hear the double S at the end there. I, S. What letter says That's right, M, munching Mike. Then we have a vowel that says I. Good job, I. And then we have S. At the end of a word, we know that is to. Miss. Good job. Now we'll try the word sell. Sell. Did you sell any candy? Sell. S-E-L. S-E-L. How would we spell that? What letter says S? Good. Sammy Snake. S. E. E. Good. O. And that's our best friends on the end. L-L. Sell. And that is all of our words to practice this week, except for our tricky words. So we're going to go over our tricky words down here at the bottom. The first tricky word is spelled O-V-E-R. Read that word for me. Over. Good. What is that word? Over. Read it one more time. Over. I jumped over the obstacle. Over. The next tricky word is S-E-E. See. See. One more time. See. I see my friend. See. And our last tricky word is T-H-E-Y. They. Read it with me. They. One more time. They. They are my friends. They. So tricky words one more time. Over, see, they. Make sure you are practicing these words. I think you're supposed to write them 3 times today. So get some good practice in with your spelling and reading these words. All right, last but not least, let's do our class song. So stand up. Make sure you're doing the motions and singing along. If we think about it and we're doing our best, I know we'll keep growing, sing oh-ay-oh, use the power of yet and our work ethic. I know we can do it, sing oh-ay-oh, we'll show the world we got that fire. Feel our brains growing in power. Help each other make it through. Lead with kindness is what we do. And we're getting smarter too, 'cause we're better when we're learning. Yeah, yeah, we're better when we're learning. Yeah, yeah. We can do this together, 'cause we're better when we're learning. Yeah, yeah. B112, let's go. If we think about it and we're doing our best, I know we'll keep growing, sing. Use the power of yet and our work ethic. I know we can do it, sing oh-ay-oh, show the world we've got that fire. Feel our brains growing in power. Help each other make it through. Lead with kindness is what we do. And we're getting smarter too, 'cause we're better when we're learning. Yeah, yeah, we're better when we're learning. Yeah, yeah. We can do this together, 'cause we're better when we're learning. Yeah, yeah.